The New York Times has a new daily game out. It's called Pips. It's a domino game, and let's learn to play it. It's actually pretty easy to learn. There's a board, and on the board are a bunch of numbers, and you have to lay dominoes in to fill all of the conditions. For example, if you see a dot that has a number, you have to make sure that the domino with that number is in that square. If you see a domino, say, with like an equal sign, then you have to make sure that the dots in the region are all the same number. And if you see one that has a greater than or less than sign, then you need to make sure that the dots in that region are the sum, either greater to or less than. So let's go ahead and learn it. We have this 4 spot where we have to get a tile with 4 here. So I suppose we could do that. And the 6 doesn't matter. We have this one where it's 3, but they need to total 0, and this one where it's supposed to total 2. So my guess is we're probably going to want to do something like this, where we have this now totaling 2, that totals 0. Notice that, and then this one comes up here, and it creates that. So let's play another difficulty. It's pretty straightforward. Let's play the medium one. And then there's a much harder one. So 3 and equal, so all these must be equal. Another equals a 2, and these two have to add up to 2. And again, it doesn't mean that it would go like that. It could mean that they go sideways, and there's 1, and we need another one with 1, or a 0, so that the total is 2. Let me put it back. Well, the thing that strikes me right away is if we need 4 that are equal, and here's 4 6s, these must be the 6s, so maybe the 6 puts the 3 there and the equals there. We know that a 6 and 6 must go there. Perhaps this would go here. That would put a 2 there and a 6 there. These would go here. And maybe the 2 goes here. And this is equal 3 and 3, which means that would go there. A pretty fun game. If you want to know how to play all the other New York Times games, I have videos on every single one of them, including Wordle, Sudoku, Letterbox, Spelling Bee, crossword puzzles, you name it. And by the way, if you want to learn to play bridge, you know, I started another channel called Puzzling Bridge, where I just teach the card game bridge. So if you're interested, check that out. I'll put the link in the description as well. That's how to play. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you've got a suggestion for a game you'd really like to learn that you think I should be teaching, drop me a line in those comments and I will take a look at it. People have invented puzzles and dropped comments in and had me take a look at it before, and I've even done videos on them. They're on this channel.